Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to play Ludo on Messenger. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Messenger application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your login ID and password. After you get logged into your Messenger application, you tap in the search text field. Now go in for writing Ludo Club. Tap on search icon. Here you can see the many results of Ludo Club. You need to tap on that Ludo Club. Beside there is play button. You tap on play. The Ludo Club is loading. Turn on messages from Ludo Club. You also can tap on turn on, or you can skip it and tap on not now. For now I am going to tap on not now. Here you can see the play now and friends. You also can play with your friends tapping on friends. You can go in for online. Also you can tap on play now and select the players and go in for playing the Ludo. This is how you can play Ludo on Messenger. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to play Ludo on Messenger. Thank you.